Why RPWORLD for your automotive product development? On-demand manufacturing with unprecedented speed is in high demand here. You must have required prototypes and low-volume parts. It's one of the essential needs for automotive development. You can also get a range of finishing services at RPWORLD. You can find anything you need at RPWORLD. From parts for power or electronic control unit, exterior and interior, to typical body-in white components. Your partner for automotive part development. Your one-stop provider for CNC machining, injection molding, and more. RPWORLD is a reliable mechanical part manufacturer that never lets you down. Here to serve Tier 1 and Tier 2 suppliers around the globe. Trust RPWORLD for all kinds of vehicle product development. Reduce your development time by up to 80%. Any design idea you can come up with, you send it, we'll help you make it. And that's why you should choose RPWORLD.